In this lesson, we're going to be solving a word problem involving right triangles. So the situation is you are at 30 feet of a building, and you can see that the angle of elevation to the top of the building next to you is 50 degrees, and the angle of depression is 20 degrees down to the bottom. That's all you know. You're 30 feet in the air, and you're trying to figure out the overall height of the building. All right, so what can we do? Well, angle of elevation and angle of depression are based off of a horizontal line. So if we draw the horizontal line across, we're going to create two separate right triangles, and we're going to see what we know. So on the bottom triangle, we know that that is 30 feet. What we don't know is this. So we'll call that y, call this piece an x, which we're really not going to end up totally using. And then we'll use this horizontal distance across as a z. So what do we know? Well, we can take this bottom triangle. If we take the bottom triangle, you're looking at something like this. You got yourself a right triangle, you're looking at 20 degrees, and this is 30. So this 20 degrees, basically, we could figure out the z value on that thing. So to figure out the z, we're going to use tangent, because we have opposite over adjacent. So tangent of 20 degrees is going to equal 30 over z. And then to clear out our denominator, we're going to multiply z to the other side. All right, and then that'll get rid of that. So then we're going to have z times tangent 20 degrees equals 30. Divide by tangent 20 degrees. And then plug that into a calculator, and that's going to get us about 82.4 feet. All right, so how does that help us? Well, now we can go to the other triangle. So the other triangle is right triangle. We know this horizontal distance is now 82.4. and our angle of elevation was 50 degrees, and we are looking for that. So back to tangent again. So tangent of 50 degrees is going to equal opposite over adjacent. This time we're going to multiply by 82.4. Clear out your fraction. And we plug that in a calculator, and that's going to get us a y value of about 98.2 feet. So this y value is 98.2. And so from here to here, we have 98.2. And from here to here, we have 30. So our total height on this is going to just be the combination of the two. So kind of we can look at it as our x plus our y is going to be 30 plus 98.2. It's going to make 128.2 feet. So that is the overall height of the building. All right, and that was solving right triangles, a word problem.